Sir, reality on the ground is kahit po anong pagbabawal ng DEP, ng DSWD or ng national government, meron pa rin pong mga politiko, whether they may be on the local level or the national level or even barangay level, na pumupunta sa mga payout sites. Ano po yung penalties that will be imposed against those who will violate that anti-EPAL rule?
Ako pabaliktad. Hindi ko papapuntahin yung mga paymaster namin at yung mga social worker namin habang nandun yung mga politiko. I think that's a proactive measure. Hindi kami a-appear doon, hindi kami pupunta doon. Kasi tulad ng sinabi ko, these are professionals. They will not allow themselves to be used by anybody.
Sir, so ano na lang po yung deterrent or deterrents?
Hindi kami pupunta doon.
Sir, pero minsan ongoing bigla silang pupunta.
Well, again, we have the option to stop. Diba? Pag biglang nag-gate crash, we can stop. Pero wag na natin paabutin sa ganon kasi malalagay naman sa alanganin yung gumawa nun. There are provisions already stated in our memo circulars to that effect. Pero kami will make sure na hindi kami pupunta pag may politiko.
You think it's time to legislate something that
I
will...
think I will leave that to our legislators. May mga panukalang ganyan. I'll leave it to their best judgment and their wisdom.